Hey, what's up, guys? I'm at Donny Carter's place today. What's up?
Howdy, people.
Checking out Donny's shop. He's got a lot going on in here, and he's got this sweet setup right here behind me.
Shapeoko.
Yes.
Shapeoko XXL. Love it.
XXL?
XXL.
So, I don't know if you check out Donny's Instagram. He's got a little bit of, maybe a little video on how this thing works.
Yeah, the lift. The lift is pretty
So, yeah.
cool.
Anyway, I'll let you check out his Instagram. I think he's going to try to do another little video about it.
Yes, definitely going to do a video about it. DonnyCarter_com on Instagram or DonnyCarter.com, either way.
Yeah.
Easy to find.
So he's got this thing rigged up. If you haven't seen it, it's pretty cool. So he's got the drill on this thing. Look at that. Yeah. And so he's got his table saw under here so he can lift that thing up out of the way, work on his stuff. Of course, he's out of commission right now, but anyway, he's got this thing rigged up really, really sweet.
Yes.
So, yeah.
Works great.
I was going to tell you guys to check out his podcast. He's got the Green Woodworker podcast, but what's your...
TGW Podcast on Instagram or the Green Woodworker Podcast, any of that. TGWP, the Green Woodworker Podcast, any of that will bring you to the podcast page or anywhere on social medias, podcast players.
The greenwoodworkerpodcast.com is the website. So anyway, I think Donny's about to start doing some really cool stuff. You got number 50 coming up, right?
Yes.
So he's got like I won't spoil it. I'll let him, he'll promote it, but he's going to have a really special guest for his 50th episode. Donny does a great job with the podcasting. If you don't listen to Donny, go check him out. Super, super cool dude. He's got a lot more stuff going on, but just check his stuff out and show him some love.
Yeah.
So, all right, guys, I'll be back in the shop Monday, and talk to you soon. Later.